We only have one percussion. And also, I mean, Tawan Mangiai, Tawan and Amakoni. Feumaya, my bang, I fit to mail, Hivanima, or Paspas my Arogay. Mawapem, almost, Yavan, Tikinawa, Talumagoni. Look the Tomo, my family, Fanga Marie. Ravamaya, once. You see?
Saya kalau pergi bukan dengan fakta kau tahu pergi senang faham. Kaya atau mau pergi faham mari kau ni, kita apa faham kau mau kita lu apa sih bah? Aku faham pergi faham ai tak warna kau ni kau kifi. Kau berapa fifi nak dia? Hanya ni ilo tem kifi kita warna. Biar ni kaya minyak wiki ay kagmingan kau. Kaya bobo ang motor na tu ah. Pea hei kapa I kai motolo o maha mo whanau. Hei kai ke au e. Kua wene I whio vālini pea fruta. La e kamata ki whi kua ona e tau paanga. Pea sea pea I ki maka pea sekretaria a Simeone. Ki I tahene pui a Simeone. Nei kai ko hala whaingo fua. E mau kamata koe e ki I whi ka koe ngā koe loto koe mātua koe nei pōpō mahi kamata. Na e la vai o tupa le ne ke wifi a wia ko fo I bebe si vene ko me ki ha me ha ko mane ko ai te wa na ai ke tu me te wa ka original ka ko fa ki holosisi ka ke te ha pe te wa ya ka ke I want to take this moment to acknowledge my uncle Jim. When we first started the band 20 years ago, it wasn't easy. But the support of the parents, very important, because you guys are the ones that bring your children. If you don't bring your children, we don't have a band. And I want to acknowledge the hard work that Simeone Delefoni did to start the band. And like my brother over here said, he got bread while Uncle's pay went towards the band. Same thing to me, bro, because my dad did the same thing. Whatever the band needed, they got. When we started, there was no finance, there was no money, but we were trying to get the fundings at the time. But parents stood up and gave what little money they had in their pockets to start off until the funding came in. And I was the original treasurer, but then I moved to Australia and I now play tuba. Only because my husband is the muso, and I guarantee you kids are so lucky, so very, very lucky you have the parent support. And I encourage you to appreciate not just your parents' time, but also the conductor's time and anybody else that helps you get to where you are today. This was not in our vision when we started the band, but with God's support, well, I wish I could take you all to Australia. You know, we're at a point now, like Miriam said, they got to a point where there's 7. Now there's just 6 in the band, it's just me, my husband, and our kids. But that does not discourage us, because why? We watch you guys all the time. You guys give us the strength to keep believing. And with the last 3 years, we've flown the flute players over. And like I said earlier, the brass band of the Person of the Year, we will invite them along as well too. But without further ado, I'm pretty sure Simeone will, that's just a bit of a memory of the 20 years, because I think he was still in primary school, you know, so he wouldn't have a clue what was going on. But I'm very honoured that you invited me. He only told me on Monday because he thinks I'm rich, but I'm not. So I do thank God that I made it, and I'm so proud to be here to celebrate 20 years of Ikona Youth Band. We did it, Uncle Jim. We're here. And I'm so proud of you, Uncle. And I'm so proud of you, Graylin. And I'm so proud of every parent that's here supporting your kids. Don't give up. Keep doing it, because the rewards you will reap. Look, 20 years, maybe in 20 years time, we'll be here again, younger. But o whalahe ka motor mātua. Mo paspasi mai mātua, he kanei kai mātua he ke au e kunata ua noa. Koe ki tāunga koe ni, koe malota pe ke iaha ki tāunga ke whamanatoa ke matangata eki. Na e kamata koe ki iwi, ne ongo na ke katahe he ne whanau ne kau he iwi. Kai nā pe mo e tātai ki, ke kia ne tale ni tane taha koe lau māu pe. Ka kupango koe ke māua hane foi māu e taha ke whakahoko. Ka koe mea pe nā manatu i koe whakataha taha koe ne pehe ka pau koe ngāu e ni e mate ai, pe e mate ia he ngāu e siasi mo iwi. Pane tāng whake mau whae, ko mate pe ko mate, no ke mo iwi. Kai ke koe loto pe ni ka ki tokon whaaspen Miriami, from our dad to you. We will support, but probably not as financially as our dad did, but we will always be here, and this is in honor of our dad. Yeah, thank you.
pito ana. A koe mi he hu whangalope ko taimi e ni. Oia, kato iloto, masa. Marini, Riggs. Sida pito. Familia mana ko hiwa are be mo ofa ka valu o mo taimi e